Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present Bullet 5, which is logic gates, truth table and circuit analysis. Okay. For the first one is logic gate. Logic gate is a device that acts as a building block for digital circuits. They perform basic logical functions that are fundamental to digital circuits. Okay, there are 7 types of logic gate. Okay, for the first one is AND gate. AND gate, true if A and B are both true. For example, A and B is 1, so the output will be 1. But if any A or B is 0, so the output will be 0. Okay, for the second one is OR. OR true if either A or B are true. It means any A or B is 1 or true, so the output will be 1 or true. Okay. For the third one is NOT. NOT is inverse value. It is true if input is false and false if input is true. It means if the input is 1, so the output will be 0. Same. If the input is 0 and the output will be 1. Okay, for the fourth one is XOR. XOR true if either A or B are true, but false if both are true. And for the fifth one, NAND, not AND. And false only if A and B are both true. Okay, for the sixth, NOR. NOR is OR followed by NOT. So not OR. True only if A and B are both false. Okay, so the output will be 1 if only A and B are both false. Okay, for the last one, XNOR. XNOR is XOR followed by NOT. Okay, true. The condition is true if A and B are both true or both false. Okay, that's all for logic gate. Next, we move to truth table. Truth table is a diagram in rows and columns showing how the truth or facility of a proposition varies with that of its component. Okay, that's all for introduction. Okay, next, we go to the part A.
This is the experiment part A, which is basic logic gate truth table. So the components using in this multisim and the experiment is VCC, SPDT switch, ground, 7408N and the blue probe. So we need to complete setting up the circuit. Okay, after finish the after finish now we move to the experiment part B, which is combinational logic gate circuit analysis. So first thing is prepare the equipments in this multisim. We use the interactive digital constant 7404N, which is 2 pair, 7408N, 7432N, 7400N, and 7402N, and lastly the blue probe. So after prepare the components, we connect all the components each other. Okay. C at here, and B at here, C at here. Okay. Based on this experiment, we are able to investigate the logic gate operation, use the Multisim software to detect operation of logic gates, and familiarize with logic gates operation and circuit analysis. Based on the experiment part A, the truth table of basic logic gate has been identified. Based on the truth table, 740A IC is the AND gate because the output is 1 only if all the inputs are 1. Based on the truth table, 7432 IC is the OR gate because the output is 1 if any or all of the inputs are 1. Based on the truth table, 7404 IC is the NOT gate because the output is the inverse of the input. Based on the truth table, 7402 IC is the NOR gate because the output is 1 only if all the inputs are 0. Based on the truth table, 7400 IC is the NAND gate because the output is 1 if any or all the inputs are 0.
Based on the experiment part B, combinational logic gate circuit analysis has been familiarized. When all the input A, B, C and D are 0, the output is 0. When input A and B are 0 and C and D are 1, the input is 0. When input B and D are 0 and A and C are 1, the output is 0. Finally, when all input A, B, C and D are 1, the output is 0. We can conclude that the combinational cannot produce the output 1. Instead, all produce output 0. This experiment was a success since we are able to achieve all the objectives and theories.